Good morning, students. Today we will continue exercise 4.2. Question number 4. Question is solve the equations. So again we have to solve the equations. That is, we have to find the unknown variable. The first part is 10p is equal to 100. Okay. So first what we have to do is we have to just remove this number from p. We have to remove 10. So we can see that 10 is multiplied by p. So to remove this 10, what we have to do, just divide by 10. Okay. So we will write dividing by 10 both sides. Okay. So what will we get? This is the given equation. So we have to divide by 10 both the sides. So now 10 and 10 will cancel, and here 1 0 and 1 0 will cancel. So what remains? What remains here is p, and this is equal to how much? 10. So the value of p is 10. Okay. Okay. So this is the value of p. I think all of you have understood the first part. Now we will do the B part. So the B part is 10p plus 10 equals to 100. Okay. So first we have to see, this is 10p and this is plus 10. So first we will remove this plus 10. So how can we remove? If we just subtract by 10, isn't it? So plus 10 and minus 10 will cancel. So that is why what we will do is we have to just subtract 10 from both the sides. So we will write subtracting 10 from both sides. Okay. So the given equation was this. What we will do is subtracting 10, that is minus 10 from the side LHS and minus 10 from the RHS. So see, plus 10 and minus 10 will get cancelled. Okay. So what remains here in the LHS? Only 10p is left, and in the RHS 100 minus 10, how much? It's 90. Okay. So we have got 10p is equal to 90. We want this p. So again we have to remove this 10. So this 10 is again multiplied with p. So to remove this 10, what we have to do, just divide by 10 on both the sides. So we will write dividing by 10 both sides. So the equation was 10p is equal to 90. So if we divide by 10 both the sides, how much we will get? See, this 10 and this 10 will cancel, and then this 0 and 0 will cancel. So what we will get? LHS is p only left, and RHS we have 9. So the value of p is 9. I think this is also clear to all of you. Now students, we will do the E part. It's 3p upon 4 equals to 6. So what we will do first? See, 3p upon 4. So first we have to remove this 4, and this 4 is on division. It is divided by 4. So to remove this we have to multiply. Just we have to use the opposite operation. So we will multiply both sides by 4. So we will write multiplying both sides by 4. Okay. So the equation was this. Now if we multiply by 4 both the sides, what we will get? See, here 4 and 4 will cancel. One is in the numerator and one is in the denominator, so they will get cancelled. So what is left here? It's 3p, and in the RHS we have 6 4s are 24. Now we have still not got the solution. Still we have 3 with this p. So now we have to remove this 3. Okay, and this 3 is multiplied with p. So what we will do? Just the opposite operation, that is, we will divide both sides by this 3. So we will write dividing both sides by 3. Okay, so this was the equation here. Now we have to divide by 3 both the sides. So this 3 and 3, numerator and denominator are same numbers, though they will get cancelled. And here 24 divided by 3 is how much? 8s are 24. 3 8s are 24. So what remains in the LHS? P. And what remains in the RHS? 8. So the value of P is 8. Okay, so this is the required solution. So I hope this E part is also clear to all of you. Now students, the H part. It's 3s equals to 0. So we have to remove this 3. 3 is multiplied by s. So to remove this 3, we have to do the opposite operation, that is, opposite of multiplication is division. So we will divide by 3 both sides. So you will write dividing both sides by 3. Okay, so what we will get? Dividing both sides by 3. See, this 3 and 3 will cancel. Okay, and 0 divided by 3 is how much? It's 0. So we get s is equal to 0. So this is the required answer. Now students, the J part. It is 2q minus 6 equal to 0. Okay, so to separate the variable, this is the variable here, q is the variable. So q is connected with 2. Okay, so first we will remove this number, minus 6. Okay, so what we will do to remove this minus 6, we have to, so it is minus 6, so we have to just use the opposite operation, which is plus. So minus 6 opposite is plus 6. So we will add 6 on both the sides. So we will write adding 6 to both sides. Okay, so if we add 6 to both sides, okay, 6 on the LHS and 6 on the RHS also. So on the LHS, see here, plus 6 and minus 6 will cancel. So what remains in the LHS? It's 2q. And in the RHS, what do we have? 0 plus 6 is 6 only. Okay, so 2q is equal to 6. But this is not the final answer. We have to find the value of this q. So now this q is multiplied by 2 here. So to remove this 2, we have to use the opposite operation of multiply, that is divide. So we will divide both sides by 2. So we will write dividing both sides by 2. Okay, so what we will get? This is 2q is equal to 6. We have to divide by 2. Divide by 2, and here also divide by 2. 2 and 2 will cancel, and here 2 3s are 6. Okay, 6 divided by 2 is 3. So in the LHS we have q, and in the RHS we have 3. So the value of q is 3. So this is our required solution. So students, I hope all the parts of this question are clear. The other remaining parts of this question number 4, you can try yourselves in your rough notebooks.